Today is my final day in Ushuaia and I am going to Laguna Esmerelda. To get to Laguna Esmeralda, you just come to this little shack here by this place and you just buy a ticket from the people standing outside. You get a return ticket and a go ticket for 5,000 Argentinian pesos. Let's go. Alright, we have just arrived and it is 11:30. Took exactly 30 minutes to get here. I made a friend on the bus right here. His name is Facundo. And we're going to be hiking together. It's funny, I've met 2 Argentinian people in my life and the first guy I met was also named Facundo. It's like the Momad of Argentina, but here we are. How you doing?
Wow. Nice people, Chilean people, really nice.
Thank you. Alright, let's get going. There honestly isn't too much to say about this place. The hike is very simple. Really really muddy, but absolutely worth it. These views are unexpected, to say the least. I was not picturing this when we were coming here. But again, proper foot gear. You can rent shoes, hiking shoes, which I just found out, for relatively cheap. Paid 3,000 to have them for 2 days. Oh god. 3,000 Argentinian pesos for 2 days, which I think is well worth it. If I had those today and yesterday for my hike, that probably would have been a game changer. Lifesaver. You can walk right through them. These are my only shoes.
This is the best money I spent in my life.
Definitely, no doubts. The best money he spent. Oh man. Facundo was definitely right when he said the best investment was renting those boots, because this whole path is extremely muddy. This is like the norm almost everywhere. Amazing. What do you think?
Hello.
Hello. Facundo?
Do you want a picture?
It's too much.
It's more than expected, right?
Way more than expected. I thought it was gonna be just a walk through like the forest or something.
And that's all.
That was it. And then we see the water, we go home, that's it. I did not expect these valleys with the mountains and the trees.
I'm doing a video.
You too? I think there's a dam, but I didn't know. Well, it's probably not beavers, maybe it's just natural, like the wood just got stuck there, but I don't know if there actually are beavers here in Patagonia. But it does look like a dam. Also, autumn has to be the most beautiful season of all seasons. Winter's beautiful in its own way, but autumn is just wow. Something so warm about it. Too bad it's so short. Only another week or two and these leaves will all be gone. So enjoy it while it lasts. This is such a relaxing walk. If you have 5 hours to spare, for sure come here, because it is a joy. It's just pure bliss and serenity. If peaceful had a word, it would be this place. If peaceful had a picture, it would be this place. Not a word. It just got so much quieter from right there with all the noise, and then over here, slightly flowing. And then the Laguna is just past that point over there. So we're just about there. How's the water?
Cold,
Yeah? But nice?
but nice, yeah.
There you go. That's the best
The
part.
way how the sun
Yeah, reflecting.
reflects.
Just peaceful.
I feel grateful.
Me too. Yeah, coming to these places really makes you
Come to
realize.
these places like that, you know, you see on Instagram, like, oh my gosh.
This place is literally a mud pit. Since I'm not wearing boots, I can't cross, so I'm forced to find alternate routes while they embrace the mud. But watching them slip and slide is the funniest thing ever. All you hear is shouts in the distance from people sliding around or stepping in mud that turned out to be way deeper than they thought. It's not as good here. Okay, there we go. Oh no. No. I'll just have to take the L. This is deceiving because this is going to be deep. I know it. So I got to jump there, hopefully, and not fall. Oh God. Oh, thank God. No. Nice. Success. There we go. So Ro, the girl up there, is from Venezuela, and Facundo's from Argentina. And I've just been asking the differences in language and culture to understand, because Argentinian's not difficult, but just different. Because the double L is a sh sound, which is confusing because I've learned it two other ways. And now to hear it a third way, it's complicated. Just about there. Getting exciting. I think this is the same glacier that I saw yesterday, but we're on the other side of the mountain. So this is like the lake from the glacier, which is super cool to see both sides of it. I think. Oh God. This isn't bad. Is this it? Is this the grand finale? I think it is. Apparently this is 2 hours. It flew by. Felt like we've just been walking for like the past half hour. This is such a relaxing walk. Besides all the mudslides and everything, and puddles of mud and traps. Absolutely magnificent and relaxing. ever.
Yeah!
It's honestly not that bad, I think. No, it's pretty bad.
But there's a, be careful to fall. If you fall, like gonna freeze your body. They're famous right now.
You want to try?
No, I don't.
It's actually pretty amazing. I've done this in every glacier water that I've been to so far, so gotta keep the record going, right? So there we have it. Made it to Laguna Esmerelda, and it is absolutely beautiful. A lot less people here now. I do recommend coming a little bit earlier because it does get busy. And nonetheless, still fantastic. Most people just left. You guys need to make it for the 3 o'clock bus, which I'm not going to make. But if you only get the chance to do this, it's definitely worth it. Unless it's raining, then it's not. It's definitely not worth it if it's raining. I've heard that it's horrible when it rains, and I came here on a dry day and it was still super, super muddy. So don't come if it's supposed to rain, because you will hate your life. Unless you got proper foot gear and you don't care about getting muddy or dirty, then you're good. But otherwise, don't come. See ya.